We're cutting across to images coming in from Shivamogga, where stone pelting has been reported in some parts of the district. Amid, of course, the murder of Bajrang Dal activist Harsha, things have taken a rather tense turn in Shivamogga. Prohibitory orders are in place, but you see on your screens how some locals, how some residents have resorted to stone pelting. We will be getting you the latest from the ground as our reporters are tracking every single update that comes in, but worrying scenes that are currently playing out in Shivamogga. Prohibitory orders that are in place to stop exactly this kind of situation from spiraling out of control. Nabila Jamal is joining us from Shivamogga. Nabila, stray incidents of stone pelting, of clashes being reported right now in the district.
Right, Akshata, very disappointing scenes in the bylanes of Shivamogga. Here are really sincere citizens, residents who've been working, toiling day and night to earn their living. But one communal commotion like this can really bring down their morale. And that's what we see here of residents who are really upset, standing out on the streets, waiting for some kind of intervention. But really, who's going to compensate for this kind of vandalism that's taken place here? That's the question. You see all around here at the back, every building almost here has broken window panes. You have vehicles that were torched, and these are we're talking about households that have been here for ages. These are neighbors who've been living in peace and communal harmony so long. Suddenly there seemed to be a quick turn of events, and unfortunately for them, their property has been vandalized as a fallout and collateral damage of this massive large-scale protest that was that they saw. Let me talk to a few of them to try and understand क्या हुआ था. ये यहाँ पर क्या हुआ था, मैडम? आपके घर को पत्थर मारा था क्या?
हाँ, सब मारा ना, वो देखो.
किसने मारा?
वो साहब लोग.
कौन? आप किसने कैसे मारा? कुछ पुलिस आया?
नहीं कन्नड़ वो उन्हें आको इधर मोटा
हिंदी में बोलिए.
कन्नड़ ये है ना, पत्थर लेको सब बिल्डिंग को मार डाला. यहाँ को हमारा ऊपर यहाँ दरवाजा को सर ऊपर माड़े है ना, माड़े में पत्थर है, बड़ा बड़ा पत्थर है.
आप बोलिए, आप क्या हुआ था?
जब यहाँ पुलिस एक आई ने बहुत से बहुत जने मुसलमान लोग आए थे और इकट्ठा होके बहुत आ गए था. हम तो डर के अंदर गए तो पत्थर उन्होंने कुछ भी मिला नहीं. जो मेरे हाथ में मिला वो पत्थर लेके सब ग्लास फोड़ दिया पूरा. यहाँ पुलिस को बुलाया तो एक भी आई नहीं. वहाँ आगे चौराहे से इधर एक भी नहीं आ रही है. जब आवाज लगा कि पुलिस भी डर गई है, वो पुलिस भी डर के भाग गई थी.
पुलिस भी डर रही है. They're saying even the police are worried and scared. ये नहीं तमाहेली.
नम्बर किकेरा वो दंते.
हाँ?
किके.
क्या? Well, you're very, very upset the residents are, and it's rightly so. These are families that live here. Akshata, as we walk here, we see almost every single building that has been targeted. There are windows that have been crashed, and really nobody to compensate for this. These are people who find it so difficult to earn a living, and unfortunately for them, this is what they see here.
These people who suffer the most when these kind of incidents happen. Right now, things are calm in Shivamogga. Just to update our viewers, the images that you see on your screens are from the stone pelting incidents that were reported yesterday in the district. Today, there have been no incidents as of now that have been reported of pelting or any clashes of any sort. Security has been tightened. Prohibitory orders are in place, and we here at India Today will continue getting you all the latest updates from the ground, reporting live on the situation as it plays out in Shivamogga. I'm slipping into